Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Final Cut Pro to correct lens distortion for wide shots, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Final Cut Pro on your device. Import the footage you want to edit by clicking on the Import Media button. Navigate to the section of the timeline where your wide shot is located. Select the clip you want to correct for lens distortion. Locate the effects browser on the right side of your screen. In the search bar, type lens distortion. Drag the lens distortion effect onto your selected clip in the timeline. Once applied, go to the inspector window at the top right of the screen. In the inspector, look for the lens distortion effect settings. Adjust the amount slider to correct the distortion, moving it to the left or right as needed. Monitor the preview window to see the real-time adjustments you're making. If necessary, tweak the curve setting to refine the edges of your shot. For additional correction, consider adjusting transform settings such as scale or position. After you are satisfied with your adjustments, review the clip within the timeline. Play back the edited clip to ensure the distortion is corrected effectively. If everything looks good, move on to your next shot or project. Save your work to prevent any loss of changes. You have now successfully corrected lens distortion in your wide shot using Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.